Hello everyone, the Chart Guys have been working on an introductory technical analysis course for quite some time now, and after surveying hundreds of traders with what would be the most sought after information regarding technical analysis, we came up with this course, When to Enter and Exit. It covers over 5 hours of the basics on when to enter and exit, and we feel after watching this course it will help build a foundation of technical analysis knowledge which will eliminate a lot of the uncertainty in the world of trading stocks. So the course outline, we go over the psychology of trading, establishing a game plan, the different indicators we use to signal a bullish and bearish entry, how to recognize support and resistance levels, poor entries, where traders make mistakes, exit targets, how do you know where to sell your trade, where to place stop losses, that's very important, minimizing losses is what keeps you in the game long term, my personal preparations, how I go about getting ready for each trading day, and then piecing it all together, utilizing all the information we just learned and how to apply that in the real world for making successful, profitable trades. As a bonus, we also include a lot of information on finding entries and exits utilizing patterns, and you can find these patterns on every time frame on pretty much any stock and commodity trading, and certainly being able to recognize those patterns can give you an edge as well. So we hope you will check this out. Again, it's an introductory level course. So if you are new to technical analysis and trying to get a firm grasp on things and feeling a little bit overwhelmed, then this course is for you. I hope you check it out. Appreciate you watching. Looking at Apple on the daily, weekly, shorter term time frame. So the bulls keep buying the dip. We've seen 3 gap down opens in the past 2 weeks, and the bulls buy every time. And we close the gap here at the end of the day today. We're seeing some bullish action after hours. We're up to 121.75. But what stands out to me is the fact that Apple has not seen a bearish day in 2017, one whole month. Have we seen red days? Yes. We've seen days that were not bullish, but we have not seen a bearish day in 2017. The last bearish days we saw were at the end of the year when the S&P 500 sold off a little bit at the end of 2016. We've seen 3 bearish days. Actually, I would say we've seen 2 bearish days right here, December 28th and December 30th, in the past 2 months trading on Apple. That is significant. The bulls are buying every dip, and they're showing lots of strength. So a new support level is now 120.66. As long as this daily middle Bollinger Band holds, the bulls are in full control. Weekly time frame has been on absolute fire. 9 out of the last 11 weeks have been bullish and green, and we are seeing a recovery from the gap down open today. Apple's held up better than many individual names that I was watching when the S&P 500 was dumping. And we see that follow through now with the SPY bounce at the end of the day and the Apple bulls reacting. So we're looking back at the recent high that we've hit as resistance of 122.44, and that new support is 120.66. And this middle Bollinger Band is going to continue ascending and acting as support. So you can see on the daily time frame, the high of the day out until the end of the day, but the high of the day was set in the first 10 minutes. Again, this pattern is so very common at this point, with the high of the day being set in the first 15 minutes. Then we formed a higher low, lower high, higher low. There's your bull break. Bulls held up. We traded sideways. Again, another clear pattern. Apple pretty much has no trading opportunity in the afternoon over the past week or two. And then the bullish action, look at the volume coming in at the end of the day. SPY broke out big time at the close, and Apple followed, closing up at the high of the day. So the hourly time frame, we were getting tight. We bounced off the hourly 100 period support, getting that 20 period back as support as well, and a nice follow through to the upside. So Apple bulls in full control on lots of time frames, and bulls could not ask for better action in 2017 so far. Just a reminder, Apple earnings are tomorrow after the close.